Apa you lagi kita jumpa Okay, tak apa. Abang nak introduce you 3 barang meal ready to eat yang baru di Pondok Abang Camp. Nombor 1 adalah ginger chicken. Nombor 2 black pepper beef. Nombor 3 sambal sardin guys. Ni legend, okay guys. As per usual guys. Okay, dia dalam ada kompartmen. You dapat dengan potato, you dapat dengan dia punya ayam, you dapat dengan dia punya nasi. Okay guys, sama juga kita punya black pepper beef pun sama. Okay, kita punya sambal sardin pun sama. Ini I punya favourite lah guys. Okay, so this one suitable lah guys. Kalau you kat rumah kan, you nak sahur, last minute you nak buka kat kerja, you just bawa. Okay guys, harga pun murah, hanya $5.50. Selain daripada itu ada yang 3 flavor lama, which is the ayam lemak cili padi, ayam masak merah dengan rendang. So kalau you all tanya kenapa dia punya packaging lain, ini lama punya packaging lah guys. Kita sekarang bikin sleeve macam gini, so orang boleh nampak dalam. Because a lot of people got confused. Ingatkan yang sini tanpa nasi, lauk sahaja. So that's why we make it open so that people can see that there are rice inside. Okay guys, so for your information, ni punya barang semua tak adanya preservative. Okay guys, it's just kept frozen and it's able to last for 1 year inside freezer, kept at minus 18 degrees. And right now it's also available on our website www.pondokabang.com. So do come by here at our frozen mart or online to grab our new MREs. Looking forward to serving you guys. Order now from pondokabang.com. The best authentic Malay food made traditionally.